channel, and this is Miss Again, and I'm back with another video. Well, this is a small summer beauty tip for men and women both. And in my last couple of videos, I have discussed about hairspray, nail enamel. This time, this information what I am going to share with you guys, this is for men and women both. Watch this video till the end. So let's start the video. A lot of us are having a problem of oily skin. Now this is a simply no-no during summer. Winter was okay, but it's summer now and we need to fight all with those excessive oil secretion from our face. Right now I haven't applied any makeup, and but what I have done, I'm going to discuss about that with you guys. So this product is known as Astringent. We all know about Astringent, and what I'm going to show you is the cheap one in the market, and it is affordable. I want each and everybody, whoever is watching my video, I want them to use it, because there are expensive products in the market. You can buy that, but not everybody can afford expensive one. So this one is cheaper, and I buy this one for 120 rupees, and this is from Ayur. So what we know about Astringent Lotion is we can apply Astringent Lotion before applying foundation or makeup on our face to prevent excessive sweat and oil. That is right. But there are other usefulness of this amazing product. So I'm going to discuss about that. Number one, I have already mentioned that you can apply this before applying makeup to prevent sweat during summer, and don't use it in winter because your face will be dry. The second tip I'm showing you here is take some drops on your hand, right, and apply it on your face. After taking a bath or after washing your face, in the evening, in the night, in the morning, whenever you have time, just take a couple of drops from this and apply this on your face, and your face will be fresh during summer. This is tip number 2. Tip number 3 is, if you are using any pack on your face, you can directly apply on your face, or you can mix this product with your pack and apply on your face, and your face will be cooler and your face will start controlling excessive oil. So that is what you can do. And number 4 is take this Astringent Lotion and take a ice cube bar and freeze this one in the freezer. And after that, whenever you are coming home, you can take out those small ice cubes and apply on your face. That is also helpful, and that will keep your face fresh. And if you have pimple prone face, and if you have oily skin, sensitive skin, it will give you good result. Try this one and let me know. So guys, this was my tip for this Astringent Lotion. There are plenty of Astringent Lotions available in the market. Go and buy. This one is from Ayur. Products are available with brands like Lotus and other lot of brands I cannot remember. Go and search online, or you can buy from the local market also. So that's all for today, and if you like this video, then give me a thumbs up, and if this information is helpful for you guys, then subscribe my channel, and there is a notification button. Press that button for the notification related to my video, which is absolutely free. So thanks for watching. Bye. Take care.